Be wet. Cow.
Are you making a cow?
No.
What are you making?
Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Oh, a kitty cat.
The red one. The red. The red kitty.
No red? What color do you need?
Blue.
You want some blue?
Brown.
Blue and brown?
Yeah.
There's a blue one.
No, blue one.
Just brown? Here you go.
That's brown tail.
Oh, a brown tail.
No, brown eyes.
Brown eyes.
No, blue eye. No, never blue eye. Need tail. Almost done.
Almost done? Does it need a tail?
Yeah. Need eye. Couple eyes. Couple eyes.
Oh, a couple eyes.
Yeah.
Remember, you have to get it wet first.
Oh. Put on ice. Put on ice. Put on ice. Use knife. Use knife. We did it. Put ice in. Put ice in.
Remember, they have to be wet first.
No, be wet. Good. Well, help. Help. It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Mitch.